This is the TOWILD CL1200 Smart Bike Light, a powerful and intelligent lighting solution designed for serious riders. With up to 1200 lumens of brightness, it lights up every road and trail ahead, from city streets to dark mountain paths. The focus and flood beam combination ensures both distance and width are perfectly covered. The CL1200 also features smart remote control. With the wireless handlebar switch, you can easily change brightness or flashing modes without taking your hands off the bar, making your ride safer and more convenient. Inside, there's a massive 5,000 mAh battery, providing up to 12 hours of runtime. It supports Type-C fast charging and even doubles as a power bank for your phone or action camera on long trips. Built with IPX6 waterproof rating and a durable aluminum alloy body, it's ready for any weather condition. The quick-release mount system lets you attach or remove the light in seconds. Bright, smart, and tough, the TOWILD CL1200 redefines what a modern bike light should be. Ride smarter, ride safer, ride brighter with the TOWILD CL1200. And when the night gets darker, the CL1200 automatically adjusts brightness to match your environment, saving power while keeping you visible. It's not just a light, it's your smartest night riding companion.